Chris Price of Tech Digest and Shiny Shiner here at the South Bank at the National Theatre with Steve from A2B, and it's too cold today.
It's freezing.
Well, you should be cycling. That'll warm you up a little bit. And I'm here at the launch of several new e-bikes, and this is a pretty classy one. Now, Steve, tell me about this bike. For a start, I can see a display there. What does that display do?
Yeah, so the display gives you all the vital information that you need from your e-bike. So you've got your state of charge up on the left-hand side.
Okay.
So that's how much charge you've got on your battery.
Yeah.
You've got the speed, which obviously will come up as you're riding.
Yeah.
On the right-hand side, we've got your power assistance level.
Yes. Yeah.
There are 4 modes on this bike: off,
Oh,
eco,
okay.
or high power.
Okay. And I've got it in high power.
You can see here it's in power 3, as is evidenced on the right-hand side. Whilst we're on this selection, because you can change around. So we'll go back to power.
Yeah.
If you just press the button in to the display, it will change for you. You can see it's turned power assistance completely off.
Yeah.
If you press it again, it should go up to assistance level 1. You should see the bar appear.
Yeah.
And again for 2, and you can keep going.
Oh,
until
okay.
you choose the one you want.
I noticed that when I was riding, it would suddenly kick in. It feels like I'm cheating. I haven't ridden a normal, a conventional bike. And suddenly I get on this, it seems to be doing all the hard work for me.
Yeah, this has got a true torque sensor built into the rear axle. So what happens is as soon as you put the pressure down on the pedals, there's some movement in the rear end of the bike. The sensor picks that up, and you get the assistance. And it's also it's dependent on how much power you put into the bike.
Yeah, okay.
So if you pedal quite gently, you'll get a little bit of assistance.
Yeah.
If you pull off at some traffic lights and you really hammer it, it'll open up that full 250 watts from the motor.
Right. What's the top speed I can get to on this?
15.5.
15. Is that a legal thing?
Yeah, that's the legal limit in the EU.
Yeah.
We'd all like it a
fast
bit
enough.
faster
And
sometimes.
this is a battery, so the battery, I mean, it looks much like a conventional bike, apart from the sort of high-tech display. But the battery here is, what is that? It's a lithium-ion battery, is it?
Yes, of course, 36 volts.
Yeah.
Lithium battery.
And I can charge the bike either in situ like this, or I can
So the charge port's on the back there. So turn the battery off. So the bike's turned off now.
Yeah.
And we can now charge the battery in situ. Unfortunately, I will say there's no key. The lock is here.
Okay. Yeah.
Key, but you unlock it, it'll slide off, and you can take it with you.
Yeah.
Slide it back in after it's charged.
And I guess the number of hours I can cycle will depend on how much I'm using the power system.
Well, it's more on range. So, in high power,
So
you're going to get about 20 miles.
Yeah.
In the middle, 30.
Okay.
In the lowest power, 40.
Yeah. And finally, how much will this bike cost me?
These are anticipated to be around £1,600.
Okay, I better get saving. Thanks so much, Steve. Cheers.
No problem. Cheers, mate.
Thanks.
Thank you.